Hello, friends. My name is Diane Chesluck, and I am the pastor at Crescent United Methodist Church and Riverside, Dakota United Methodist Churches in the southeast corner of the state of Minnesota. I am an ordained elder within the United Methodist Church here in the Minnesota Annual Conference. I have been at La Crescent in Dakota for 2.5 years, being appointed in June of 2020. I have been in ministry for 30 years. 8 years of that was as a youth and children's director, and then I transitioned in my calling to the ordained elder position and took up the role of pastor in 2001. So I have been a pastor for the last 21 years, almost 22. So I am in La Crescent, which I said is in the southeast corner of the state of Minnesota. And this is the vision and mission of the larger of the two congregations that I serve. La Crescent United Methodist Church's vision. Our church seeks to be a community that is experiencing and sharing life change and growth because of Jesus. Then our mission. La Crescent United Methodist Church commits our time and resources to provide life-changing experiences with God by loving and accepting all, nurturing discipleship, and serving others. The vision and mission really comes out of our core values, which are displayed within our congregation in multiple different places on a poster, and our acronym that we use for our core values is GRACE. Now, these core values stem from the 5 practices of fruitful congregations by Bishop Robert Schnase. So the first of our core values is generosity. The second is radical hospitality. The third is having artful and passionate worship. The fourth, congregational faith development. And the fifth core value is engaging in risk-taking mission and service. So each of these helps, each of those core values, the first letter of each of those words makes up the acronym GRACE.